Alright, this is part 2 of the sound clips I'll use at cons. So let's play it all. Play them. And again, I'll probably laugh my head off on these because they're funny, or at least I think so, because I'll be using them at these things at cons. So the sound clips, so let's start.
You over there, get a room or something, jeez. You over there, nom nummies. Oh, that's tasty ear, yummy. You want to play? Play with me? You want... You scare me. Lots and lots and lots, and scares me, scares. Ooh, must chase tail. Oh, and a pretty tail at that. And it's Fox for the steal. Woo! Whoops, I flushed your toy down the toilet. Oh, look, it's Grontalis. Oh, wait, that's me. Yeah. Oh, pokey poke, 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 poke. Rawr! Excuse me while I relieve myself behind this bush. Excuse me while I...
So that's basically it, and I need to plug in this thing, so see you in a little bit. And now I'll play them all, play the others.
Oh, look, over there, it's a fur pile. Give me a paw to the left and a paw to the right, and I'll pick your neighbor's nose. Left paw up, right paw up. Now give a swift kick in the right between the tail. Where am I? The sign says furry con, but it said there's so many fluffy cute things around. Oh my god, what is this thing? This pile of cute things. What? First con, and all I get is this lousy tag on my ear that hurt when they put it on. Ouch. I'm too sexy for the camera. I'm too sexy too for the camera. Take lots of pictures of me. Duty.
And that's pretty much it. So I'll probably use them mostly in suit, but I might use them out of suit too. All depends on the on what mood I'm in and what strikes me funny at the time. So hope you enjoyed my weirdness of clips and stuff. See you at a con, and don't forget, it's the purple fox with the white belly, and make sure to harass him. So talk to you later.